I'm Andy with Wilson Enterprises. We're here at one of my homes in Deer Moss Creek in Niceville, Florida. My area that I like to stay in is Okaloosa, Walton County, but it's just convenient for me. I grew up here, I'm a local here, and the strong military presence and tourist attraction that Walton County has and Okaloosa County as well just kind of brings in the crowd. So all of our homes here in Deer Moss Creek have been Okaloosa gas homes. Anytime we see gas available to us, we're going to include that in our homes because we personally like it. I like to build with Okaloosa gas. They're easy to work with, and our customers also enjoy having gas in their homes. So some of the reasons that I choose to build with natural gas is simply you can't heat air cheaper with electricity versus gas. Cooks prefer gas 9-to-1 over electricity just for that nice even cooking that happens with gas and that control. I prefer it personally in my own personal homes, and I think that the buyers see more upscale value in having gas in their homes. So a lot of our homes here in Deer Moss have the typical gas stove, gas furnace, tankless Rinnai water heater, but we also have some that are fully loaded. We have the gas lanterns, the gas fireplace. We can do a gas dryer if the client wants that. We do gas grill stub outs. We do outdoor gas fireplaces. There's really just a ton of things you can put in your house that are going to help. It's going to help you save on your electric bill by going with gas. Also with natural gas, it's very reliable. We have a lot of hurricanes here in Florida, so there's no concern over losing your gas supply during a hurricane, so it's a very reliable source. I also like the comfort aspect of natural gas. The furnace just feels warmer to me personally, and also you don't run out of hot water when you're using a Rinnai tankless water heater. So we have several projects in Crestview that we're finishing up. We of course have our homes out here in Deer Moss that we're building, and we have a natural gas home going up in Valparaiso, and we also are getting off the ground a home over in Blue Mountain Beach in Walton County. To check out more of our natural gas homes, find us on Facebook at Wilson Enterprises of NWFL.